Hi friends, myself Premon Pillai. Welcome to my channel and please subscribe and press bell icon for latest information technology related video. Today I will tell you how to create groups, distribution groups in Exch server 2010 or in the latest versions. Actually it is a continuation of the installation of Exch server. After the installation of Exch server we must configure something and we must create some mailbox, groups and transport roles. I'm just doing the series. Now this is how to create a group. Okay, now for that primarily I must go to Active Directory users and computers. You can also actually also made in our Exch server, but if we will do like that, then there are sometimes problems. So I am just creating the same in Active Directory users and computers. It is the best way to do that. So I am just going to new. I will create a group. No, actually primarily I will create a organization unit, that is PMGROUP. Create this, and you can see this is PM groups. Now I will go to new and I will select a group. Now I will select alt frame because I had created 4 3 Premohan Pillai and frames. So I am selecting this, and now I will double click on this and members. I will add advanced, find now, and you will get all users of my mailbox. Now I will select frames. Now I will OK, apply, OK. And I will also create one more group. Other plus now I will go to members, add, advanced, find now. Now I will select Shishodya Reddy and team organization, this one, OK, apply, and I will close this now. And now I will go to the Exchange Management Console, and I will go to recipient configuration, and now I will go to distribution list. From here I will go to new distribution group, and I will select existing one, and now I will just browse, and you can see there are all frame is there, and I will select all frame and other persons, actually one by one. Okay, now I will put a other name for the group, that is all frame. Okay, next, new, is created. Okay, and I will create one more with the other persons. Next, okay, now it's okay. I will refresh this one. We have 2 groups. Now I will tell you how to use these groups. If I want to send a message to all my users, you can also create all group members or all persons, all mailbox, everything, anything you want. Just like this, I will go to PM, here it is. I will create one more, that is a group, all persons. I will create universal, and now I will go to all persons and members, add, advanced, find now. Now I will select my members, that is Shishodya, Reddy, Prem and Play, Prem, PMO, and press OK, apply, OK. Now I will go here and I will create one more, that is existing, browse. Now I will select which one, all persons, this one, next, and I will type all first, next, new. Okay, it's all created. Now if you want to send a message, just like WhatsApp and everything, you want to send a broadcast message or a group message or something like that, the same facility is available in Exch server also. Now I will tell you how to do this, and I will just go to my web app. You can also configure your Outlook in Microsoft Office. Actually I am not doing that, I am just using this one, web browser is fine. Now I will send a new message, and I will send it to, I want to send a message to all my members, that is all persons. I will select all persons. Now I will send subject, this is a test message, and this is test message, and I will send. This message is sent to all my groups, the mailbox available, and I selected in this group. If I want to send a message to all frames, I can also do that. Listening test, and this is a test message sent. Okay, if I will send this to other persons, I can also do that. If I want to send only for single persons, I can do that also. Now I will check the messages is coming or not. Yes, it's here. You can see here there are so many messages are here, and that way has been interesting. Okay, I just made a transport rule to restrict this one, so it is showing this message. Otherwise it is here and here, here. All messages are coming, and now you may go how to create a group in Exch server. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel and press bell icon for latest information technology related videos.